Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. If you would like to make your Google Docs header only available on the first page, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. It's relatively simple, so follow these steps. So ladies and gentlemen, if you have not yet subscribed, you can help us reach 2,000 subscribers. So hit that sub button and let's get into it. On your page, right at the top, if you double click, you will see that the header option opens up, right? So once this is opened up, you have on the right hand side the button to toggle on and off different first page. Now, if you select this, it says that this is the first page header. So whatever header you add in here, this will only appear on your first page. You can also define some of the other properties such as the format, page numbers, and then you can remove the header automatically right from here. Now, if you click away, you'll find that this is your header. And if you're going down here and we are going to add a page in, you will see, in fact, that this page does not have a header. If you double click here, you will see, again, you can add a header in here and you can change all of the options again, just like you did with the first one. Now, if you want to learn a little bit more about Google Docs, you can explore our channel. We've got tons of awesome content. We'll see you over there. Peace out.